What role does industrial plumbing play in factories and large facilities? Industrial plumbing serves factories and manufacturing plants, where the flow of water, gas, and chemicals is part of daily operations. These systems use durable materials to handle high pressure, temperature, and corrosive substances. Each setup is custom built for specific tasks, often including grease traps, backflow prevention, and advanced drainage. These features are key to maintaining safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. Industrial plumbing is not only stronger than other types but also more complex. It supports production lines, protects workers, and helps businesses run safely and efficiently. For reliable industrial plumbing services in Perth, Marchant Plumbing and Gas offers the expertise factories and plants need to keep operations safe and efficient. Their licensed team is experienced in handling high-pressure systems, corrosive materials, and specialized installations such as grease traps, backflow prevention, and advanced drainage. With service locations in Roleystone, Callaroo, and Victoria Park, they provide strong local support across the city, ensuring fast response times and expert care. By choosing Marchant Plumbing and Gas, businesses gain a trusted partner who understands compliance, safety, and the demands of industrial environments. So, for your commercial plumbing needs, call the experts now, Marchant Plumbing and Gas.